Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in InShot. If you want to create smooth animation, moving text or the dynamic zoom transition in your videos, keyframes are the perfect tool. In this tutorial I'll show you how to add keyframes in InShot step by step. InShot makes animation simple and beginner friendly, and by the end of this video you'll be able to create professional looking motion effects easily. First you need to open to your InShot app on your smartphone and you will get into this interface of your video, photo or the collage. Just tap on this video from the home screen and select the video you want to edit, or you can simply select to this drop if you want previous videos as well. So keyframes work on elements like text, stickers, images, picture-in-picture videos. For example, let's animate your text. Tap on this text here and type down your desired text. Over here resize it and position where you want to be in the video. So over here we will find this tracking. Over here swipe a bit until you find this tracking. You can select to this tracking icon here and you can start tracking by tapping on the start tracking here. You can go to this animation here and select your zoom in or the fade or any of this transition that you want to apply. And that is it. That's how you add keyframes in InShot. Using keyframe allows you to create smooth professional animations directly from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.